Ningbo Get Import and Export Company Limited was established in 2010, is a more than 10 years of independent design, export sales, foreign trade companies. The company specializes in the export of carbon steel, alloy steel, gray steel, stainless steel and ductile iron as raw materials of precision castings parts, and all kinds of metal machining parts. Export products from 100 grams to 600 kilograms weight. Our associated company can produce according to customer drawings. Its products sell well at home and abroad, such as the United States, Dubai, South Africa, Sweden, Germany, and other countries and regions. Has been one of the world's well-known excellent suppliers. Our products are mainly divided into the following categories: mining machinery parts, hydraulic machinery parts, construction machinery parts, and other parts. The company registered GETACC trademark in 2020 on the basis of OEM began to develop independent brand with brand quality and credibility, better serve customers. At present, we are committed to developing more new projects and expanding a wider overseas market. Ningbo Get Import and Export Company Limited not only has experienced foreign trade team, but also gathered a group of enthusiasm, unity, and cooperation of a new generation of foreign trade people. We adhere to the 365 days online, 24 hours online, year-round, service attitude to give customers intimate services. Our warm hope, you and I hand in hand to create a better future.